I say, I go with you. And then he said to me, I'm not going with you. And then I told him, I go with you because I love you. I will go with you. And then he said to me, I don't want to go with you. This is smooth voice for me. And then stand down. And then start, I'll get off. And then I will get it out. And he come and hug me. And then he said to me, Mom, don't worry for me. I will try my best down there with Jesus. I will go by Jesus, with me and him. And then you stay here to look after the kids and get ready to go to school. And no worry, don't worry for me. I'm strong. And then I say, are you okay? And then, Mom, don't worry. I go with Jesus. 1:45 in the afternoon, he didn't answer. I message, I call the messenger, he didn't answer too. And then I waiting, and then pick all my kids in here, and then we stay here. My sister's coming, my older, they come here, they're doing everything at home. And then maybe 5 to 7 p.m. and the police coming. But the police coming, the car parked outside the street, and then they walk here and then knock the door. But I didn't do it. That's happened. Does anything happen with him? I thought maybe the neighbors, they go like my kid, they already noising and shouting at home. And then the police talk to me, they stay here, that's the address for Uili Fa'aofo. And then I say yes. And then I told, can you come in? And then police come inside and stand there, and then all my kids here with me and the 2 sisters. And then he said, can I talk to you private? And then I didn't know anything. I can't remember that's happened. That's the incident already happened. But I will walk aside, and then the police say, this is a sad news. It's hard for me. It's not easy. I see my kids, the age, and my age too. And he gone early. But I stay strong and be happy. So that's why I say thank you for the community, the school with my whānau, the old people related to me, and his family. They already message, they already say to me, be strong because of our kids. And I encourage for our people, they strong too. Because I saw you guys strong, I'm strong.
Did you have na Iesu to plan or loma mai that you have planned coming up,
Yes.
as a family?
The big plan. They plan, they have a matai, the end of this year. And he look forward to go by himself. But, and then the whole family from Samoa is already agree him. He's go Samoa. But our plan, they go. And then I'm happy, go. And then I'm happy. Release, they go.
What was the matai title?
Fa'aofo. Fa'aofo nu. He is a matai. Because he is a father. That's a matai. And that one. For now on, my husband and another nephew, they already gone, but they already created and make a plan. They already have a chief, like a Fa'aofo and Fa'aofo, but no Fa'aofo in here, they Fa'aofo in heaven. He come here, he look after the kids. He come here, work hard, doing anything. They try the best for who? For the kids and for me. So now he gone. I think he is know the God time. Because I plan I will call all together, and then he say, I'll stay. He go by Jesus. And then I say, okay, you drive safe, and then I will stand and stay to look after the kids. And the problem, the accidents, is the accidents. They happen, but there's a sad news. This is all related. They happen. And that's why I'm missing. And then I will sleep last night with my baby, because they always sleep all together every time, every night. And then my daughter, they cry. And then he's scared. And then I turn on the lights. And then I told my daughter, he's here. He sleep with us. Every time in here in my home, I walk around. He's here.